Hello there, very good afternoon. You're watching Proactive London and Adam Bond is here today from AFC Energy because this week you've announced to the market that you've teamed up with Keltbray to deploy power systems for the first time on a UK construction site. This is exciting because it's very much a sign of the future. So we kind of want to talk about this collaboration between the two companies. This outlined a roadmap, I think you've called it, for further system deployments later on in the year as well, Adam. So it sounds like there's a real collaboration going on here.
Yeah, hi, Katie. Yeah, we were really happy to sign yesterday's agreement with Keltbray. Keltbray, one of the leading UK construction contractors, like a lot, are targeting net zero aspirations by 2040 or earlier. And so we've been working with Keltbray for the last couple of months now on how our fuel cell technology can basically create clean power at construction sites, removing diesel generators from off-grid power uses in construction applications. And this is the third application in construction or third partner in construction that we've been lucky to sign up with, and hopefully more to come.
Oh, more to come. We'll get on that a little bit later on, but just want to talk about Keltbray's kind of as a company as well. So you've described it as innovative and kind of socially responsible, as well as a UK contractor. Is that why you wanted to get involved with them and come up with this partnership?
Absolutely. The construction market is certainly one of those areas that it's hard to decarbonize. And so you've got a lot of construction contractors and even the tendering authorities, the end clients who want to build things, looking at how things can be built with reduced carbon footprints. And so the fuel cells that we offer, the clean power generation systems that we offer, are really playing to a sweet spot whereby the construction contractors, with their socially responsible hats on and their aspirations for net zero, are looking for those alternatives. And in us, they found a technology which really lends itself to delivering on a lot of those targets.
Mm-hmm. And while we're talking about the technology, so this has been in the works for kind of 12 years, I understand, in the UK. It's now deployable in electric vehicle chargers, off-grid decentralized power systems, and also data center applications as well.
Yeah, so the alkaline fuel cell or the hybrid fuel cell that we're using at the moment is really the key market we're targeting is the removal of diesel generation. And diesel generators are used in a lot of different applications, from temporary power at festivals through to the mining industry, construction industry, basically wherever you don't have a grid to connect into. And data centers, you mentioned, is one of those really big markets where roughly 2 to 3% of the world's energy is used by data centers today. And if you think about having to back that up so that we all have access 24/7 to the cloud and all of our various IT needs, the amount of backup power from diesel is huge. And so that has to be displaced with something other than diesel. And our fuel cell is one of those technologies that we're targeting. So it's been in the market in the running for a long time. We're now getting to that point where we're starting to deploy systems. We'll have our first system deployed in Coventry next month at an event run by Urban Airport, charging electric VTOLs, vertical takeoff and landing craft, and then moving into construction later this quarter. And then we have a number of applications that we're also looking at in the second half of this year.
Oh, great. Well, we'll be chatting again then, Adam. Thank you so much indeed from AFC Energy here on Proactive.
Brilliant. Thanks, Katie.